In a lab, two scientists, Dr. Quake and Dr. Shake, were testing a new earthquake detector. "This device is so sensitive it can detect a sneeze," boasted Dr. Quake. Dr. Shake, skeptical, sneezed loudly. The detector went wild, lights flashing, alarms blaring. "See?" Dr. Quake grinned. Suddenly, the ground shook. "Wow, your sneeze is powerful," laughed Dr. Shake. But then a voice from the intercom said, "Attention, this is not a drill. An actual earthquake is occurring." Dr. Quake turned pale. "Maybe we should stick to measuring sneezes. Like, comment, and subscribe for more laughs.